Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you QuickBooks versus Xero, which is better. So let's get started. So when it comes to accounting software, QuickBooks and Xero are two of the most popular options for businesses. In this video, we'll compare these two platforms in terms of features, pricing, ease of use, and customer support to help you decide which is the better fit for your needs. So let's get started. So now let's begin with features comparison. So first, let's head over into QuickBooks. And here in QuickBooks, in terms of invoicing, you would have customizable templates, automated reminders, and recurring invoices. You also have the expense tracking. So expense tracking has automatic bank feeds, receipt capture, and categorization. In terms of payroll, comprehensive payroll management with tax calculation and filings. And for the reporting, it has over 100 reports, including profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. And QuickBooks also integrates with 650 apps, including PayPal, Shopify, and Square, and many more. So now let's go head over into Xero. So here in Xero, in terms of invoicing, it has simple and customizable invoicing with automatic payment reminders. In expense tracking, it has bank feeds, receipt capture, and expense claims management. In payroll, it has payroll processing with employee self-service and automatic tax updates. And its reporting is over 50 standard reports with the ability to customize and create new ones. And now for the integration, it connects with over 800 apps, including Stripe, HubSpot, and Shopify. So now let's go to the pricing comparison of both these platforms. So first up is QuickBooks. So we have 4 plans available right here. So the first one would be the Simple Start. Next one is Essentials. Other one is Plus. And the last one would be Advanced. You can see their prices right here. And this would be their annual prices, which you can save more, of course. So yeah, these are their prices, and these are your features that would be included in the plan that you select. You can read it all right here. So basically you can click on them and then they would be expanded so that you can understand the features better. And now let's head on into Xero. These are the plans available here. So we have the starter, standard, and premium. So it only has 3 plans that is being offered. And if you want to learn more about this plan, you can click here on learn more, and then from here you can see the features that would come along with that plan right here, and same goes for the other plans. So let's just go back right here, and yeah, you can also do it right here, and they have a free trial right here, so you can see full pricing detail right here. So they have a free trial available for you. Start Xero for free, access all Xero features for 30 days, then decide which plan would suit best your business. And now the same goes with QuickBooks. So you also have a free 30-day trial available in QuickBooks right here when you get started. And now let's head over to the ease of use of this platform. So the first one would be QuickBooks. So this is the user interface of QuickBooks. It is intuitive and easy to navigate with a dashboard that provides a clear overview of your financials. And its learning curve is relatively easy to learn, with plenty of tutorials and resources available. And now for Xero, its user interface is clean and modern design with a dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your business's financial health. And its learning curve is user-friendly but may take some time to master all the features due to its depth. And now let's head over to the customer support. So with QuickBooks, you have 24/7 chat support, phone support during business hours, and a comprehensive knowledge base. It also has an active user community and forums for peer support. And now for Xero, on the other hand, it offers you 24/7 email support, phone support for premium plan users, and an extensive online help center. It also has strong user community and online forums for additional help. So now, in conclusion, QuickBooks is a robust, feature-rich accounting software ideal for businesses that need extensive reporting, integrations, and payroll capabilities. It's a great choice for those who want an easy-to-use interface with powerful functionalities. And Xero, on the other hand, is a versatile, user-friendly platform perfect for small to medium-sized businesses looking for straightforward accounting with strong invoicing and expense tracking features. It offers excellent value for money, especially with its affordable pricing plans and extensive integration. So bottom line is, choosing between QuickBooks and Xero would depend on your specific business needs and budget. So if you require advanced features and comprehensive reporting, QuickBooks will be the better option. However, if you're looking for a cost-effective, user-friendly software with strong invoicing and expense management, Xero could be the right choice. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.